Hostinger VPS server. This is our Hostinger VPS server uses sake. Some hours ago, this limited my VPS server because of my VPS server is exceeded the uses limit. Check this time, and today's time 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. This is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. full time 100% uses load, and yesterday also limit, but today is almost 5 to 6 hours 100% uses. After the 5 p.m. I have checked my website but failed to check because my website is down, because our server is down, as Hostinger automatically blocked our server, limited our subscription because of our CPU usage is 100% limit. That's why I am ensuring this. Why this happened? As check our disk space. Our disk space is 100 GB, but we used only under 40 GB. So the disk space is not issue. If issue is the CPU, RAM uses also not issue. Issue is the CPU uses. This is going 100% load, and ongoing traffic also not affect for 2 hour server. Main issue is the web facing CPU uses. That's why I have research on it, and I have getting the issue is some website is going our 100% load because of bot traffic. The several bot traffic comes here, and this load unlimited load within our minute. Please check the present time. Our present server is 0% loading, but when many bot visit the same time, that's why our full server is going to heavy load. That's why I have followed this rule how to solve this issue. Please check my documentation in the NXS forum our group. I have solved this. Firstly, you have to create a bot blocking configuration, the NGX server, and you have to create this the config, and the config I have pasted this type bot I have added: Interpretic GPT, ChatGPT, Google Extended, Perplexity bot, and Omni bot, and Cloudy bot, and Diffie bot, and U bot. This type bot we have added. Then we have also a scripting library like this type is scripting HTTP client, Java, and XUS, and Face Node. This type bot also I have added. Another bot is spammy bot like 360 Baidu Spider, and dot bot, SEMrush bot, ACDev bot, Baidu Spider. This bot also I have added. And we have added also TikTok and Baidu Spider family. And also bot we have added the Meta and other heavy bot, Amazon bot, Facebook bot. After adding this bot, we have click the Faxas user agent, like this type user agent also blocked. Then we have added this is our rules, and we have saved this Control O enter and Control X automatically stop the save and exit this our nano. Then create actually bot how to block this happen. So the nano, this command we have added. Then we have put this location, put this rule to our main server. Then server run, then says this is a location is okay. If everything is okay, then showing is this, and system is, then system reload, then check your domain, the clouding bot, and check it. If everything okay, then you get show this is the 403, return to 403. Like check, I am checking this. This is our website. Now check here. Clear. Now hit this URL and response is 403. I hope you got it, how to respond this. I have hit this URL and getting response is http 403. That means our response is 403 forbidden, and never get a permit this dev bot to our any website of this server. I have added 8 to 10 website here, so no one can visit this website from this. So I hope you got understand. Now my server is very only 0, under the 1% is loading here. The actual traffic is very low, so because of the bot traffic our server is heavy load. So you can follow my rules, blocking the bot from your server. Everything is working fine without your server limitation, the CPU uses limitation, Hostinger limitation, to bypass the system. You can follow this rule. Thank you.